Welcome to Kenton's videos. Enjoy the video.
You start by confirming essentials. VS Code installed and get configured. This avoids friction later. Once done, open your chosen project folder so the editor context matches your files. Now install one extension, the language pack for the tech you'll use. This gives syntax, linting, and snippets. Make sure to accept recommended workspace settings when prompted, because they optimize linting and formatting. Finally, set your preferred theme and font size, so the interface is readable and consistent for coding sessions. Next, you configure VS Code to speed up work. Install a formatter and linter. These enforce style and catch bugs early. Add the debugger extension for quick breakpoints. Then open Settings and set Editor. Format on save and tab size to match your theme style, which reduces merge friction. Once configured, create launch. JSON to define run/debug targets and tasks. JSON for build commands, so you can press one key to compile or run tests. These files make repetitive steps consistent and reproducible. Finally, you bring everything together by initializing source control and linking to a remote repo. Commit, then push to ensure backups. Run a full build and tests to verify the environment problems view surfaces lint and type errors so you can fix them before merging. If something breaks, check the output panel for extension logs and open Developer Tools console for runtime errors. This diagnostic trail usually shows config or path issues. If needed, reload the window or disable a recent extension, then rerun the failing.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.